Oh, wow, look. It's cheaper here than at home.
I don't know. After you calculate the exchange rate, it may not be so cheap.
Really? Yeah, I guess you're right.
Oh, here, smell this.
That's really nice. Is that for Rachel? We really should get her something special.
Yeah, she'll like this, I'm sure. The bottle is pretty, too. Excuse me.
Yes?
We'd like this, please.
All right. Is that all?
Yeah.
Okay. May I see your boarding pass, please?
Oh, yes, here it is. Do you have to see...
Conversation 2.
Oh, the ones over here are nice, and they're half price today.
Oh, yeah, they are nice. But you know what? I was looking for a black pair.
A black pair. Okay, let's see. Oh, here. These will keep your hands warm. Oh, and they go very nicely with your coat.
Yeah, you're right. They fit pretty well, too. And, they're warm. You know, my fingers feel warm already.
Well, they're 100% wool.
Oh, great. I'll take them. Here's my credit card. Oh, I also need to get a new CD player. What floor is the electronics department on?
Electronics is upstairs on the 3rd floor. You can take the elevator up there.
Conversation 3.
Are you sure it's real leather?
Yeah, it must be. Feel it.
Oh, yeah, it is. Hey, how do you think it looks?
Good. The sleeves are just the right length for you.
Good.
Go ahead, zip it up.
Well?
Very stylish. And you know, it doesn't matter that it's used because leather looks much nicer when it's older.
Well, yeah, that's true. A new one like this would cost me an arm and a leg.
That's for sure.
You know, I think I'll get it.
Good.
Could you maybe, lend me a couple of bucks?
Oh, no. I should have seen this coming.
I'm sorry, I'm a little short this week, and, well, if you could maybe advance...